Welcome back to TakeApart. In this video I will tear down a red mini-Mac 480GB version just to see what's inside and if you can hack this super expensive storage. You will need T6-bit for screwdriver to unscrew 4 screws around. Then you can just split it into the 2 pieces. Spring washers might fall down, and as you can see, it is classic 3x5 m-SATA SSD with standard connection. There is nothing special, terminal to terminal connection. So if you get the cheapest mini-Mac and install a 3x5 m-SATA SSD, it will work just fine, and you will save a lot of money. Just don't pick the cheapest one. Let's assemble it back together. Go to the description to see some SSDs picked by me. They will work and also they are able to transfer at full speed. Make sure you place spring washers on the top of the board and cover up mini-Mac. Screw back in 4 screws and enjoy saved money. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.